Dear children, welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn chapter number 3, linear equation into variables. Let us start. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of the linear equation. While writing the equation, there is some condition also. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Suppose in the equation a becomes 0, one variable has gone, means it becomes one variable equation. So it cannot be a linear equation into variables. Or if b is equal to 0, again the second variable y has gone. Again it becomes one variable equation. It should be a perfectly two variable equation in first degree, means x ka exponent should be 1, y ka exponent should be 1, and x का coefficient a it should not be not equal to 0, y का coefficient b also it should not be equal to 0, c may be equal to 0, c के लिए कोई condition नहीं है. This is the standard form of the linear equation in two variables. Example equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 15 is minus 15 is equal to 0. We can also write in standard form this equation ax plus by is equal to c. This is also another way. We can say this is the standard form, this is also standard form. Normally we follow mostly in CBSE this as the standard form. A linear equation in one variable means let us start from known and we will go to unknown. Here 3x plus 7 is equal to 12 is an example of linear equation in one variable. Suppose if you try to solve this equation, we can 3x is equal to 7 is shifted, 12 minus 5, 12 minus 7 is equal to 5, 3x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 3 is called the solution of the equation. Linear equation in one variable. Linear means always to degree 1. Number of variables, here it is 1 and here it is 2. So it is called a linear equation in one variable. It's an example. When we solve this, we will get a solution. Please remember, for the linear equation in one variable, we will have always a solution, always a unique solution. There is no equation without solution. Always we will have one solution. Now, when it comes to the case of linear equation into variables, can anybody tell how many solution is possible, or if possible whether it is unique solution or many solution? Let us discuss. Here in linear equation into variables, equation is only one, but the number of solutions are infinitely many. Equation 1, solutions are infinitely many. Example, how to get the solutions? Normally we say x is independent and y is independent. We can give any real value to x and we can find out every time the corresponding value of y. Let us feel free to give to x some value, say x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0 means 4 plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. 3y is equal to minus 15 goes to the right, it becomes plus 50. 4 goes to the right, it becomes minus 4. 3y is equal to 11. Y is equal to 11 upon 3. Here x and y, if you give the solutions in the form of small table, x ka value we have given to the corresponding value on calculation, we got 11 upon 3. This is a solution. We can say 2 comma 11 by 3 is a solution of the equation. Like this, give to this x some other value. If x is equal to minus 3, then 2 into minus 3 plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. minus 15 goes to the right side, it becomes plus 15. Minus 6 also goes and becomes plus 6, it is 21. 3y is equal to 21, y is equal to 21 by 3 is equal to 7. Here, x ka value we have given minus 3, the corresponding value of y we got 7. Minus 3 comma 7 is another solution. Like this, you go on giving different values to x, every time we will get the corresponding value of x. X value, y value together is the solution. Like that, it's possible to give infinitely many values to x, and every time we will get the corresponding value of y. Therefore, there are infinitely many solutions to the given equation, that is linear equation into variables. For the given linear equation into variables, there are infinitely many solutions. Right. Now, our solution, we can just give different value to x and find out different value of the corresponding value of y. Please remember, in case of linear equation into variables, a single equation will have infinitely many solutions. Now, let's go to the graphical representation. Suppose if you represent graphically the graphical representation of a linear equation into variables is always a straight line. 2x plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Let's do simple values. X is equal to 1. Very quickly, how to get the solutions. A rough idea representation of a linear equation on the graph. X is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 15. Minus 17 will go plus 17, 17 upon 3. X is equal to minus 3, 21 upon 3, 7. Just now we have done. By representing this linear equation on the graph, see that x value is an integer, the corresponding y value is also an integer, so that it is easy to represent. In case any fraction comes, let us neglect or let us not consider. For multiple of 3, x is equal to let us give minus 5, 10. 2 into minus 5 plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. This is 3y is equal to 15 plus 10, 25. So right side it goes plus 25. Y is equal to 25 upon 3. So x is equal to x is the value minus 4, 23. X is equal to minus 2, 19. X is equal to 2, minus 2, 4, 4 plus 15, 19. X is equal to minus 5. X is equal to plus 5. Okay. Rough idea. Minus 1 x value and corresponding y value is 17 upon 3. This is 5 2 by 3. Approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 2 by 3. Approximately you take this value, this place. X is equal to minus 3 and plus 7. Minus 2, minus 3 and plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 5 and 25 by 3. 1, 2, 3, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and 25 by 3. This is 8, 1 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 1 by 3. Approximately this value. All the 3 points when you join, we get a straight line. Minimum 2 points are required for the representation on the graph. But the third point is to confirm for the correctness of the solution. We take 3 points. All the 3 points, when you join, we have to get exactly on one straight line. In case the 3 points that represented on the graph, if they are not on straight line, check for the mistake. Maybe first point is wrong, or second point, or third point, or any 2 points are wrong. It is compulsory that we have to get all the 3 points on one straight line. When you try to draw a straight line, all the 3 points they must pass through the same straight line. A linear equation in one variable is representing a straight line. How many points are there on a straight line? There are infinitely many points are there on the straight line. Every point on the straight line is a solution. Since there are infinitely many points, there are infinitely many solutions to the given equation. Equation solutions and straight line points. Equation is representing straight line. Straight line is having points. All points are solutions. Equation is solved here by giving different values to x. Here infinitely many values can be given to x and corresponding y values can be found out. Therefore, here to the equation solution, here to the straight line points. These points are solutions, graphical representation, and this is algebraic method, points and solution. Here, every solution is represented in the form of -1, 17 upon 3. It is an ordered pair. In ordered pair, this is only always in common brackets between first point, first number and second number. There is a comma. First number is representing the x coordinate of the point when it is represented on the graph. The second number is representing the y coordinate. Sometimes the x coordinate is also called as, whether you say x coordinate or abscissa, ABSCISSA, or y coordinate, or we can say ordinate. Let us do a few problems in the next video. Thank you.